Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be practicing this 10 minutes yoga stretch for beginners. Guys, we're starting right off with child's pose. In child's pose, you want your hips to be apart from the knee. Stretch your arms, spread your fingertips on your mat, and take those gentle breaths. You can adjust yourself as much as you need, side to side. Inhaling and exhaling. Slowly, we're going to come to a comfortable sitting position. I'm going to take some gentle breaths. Inhale, you're going to lift up your spine. And exhale, you're going to lift up both hands up in mountain pose. And exhale, you're going to bow to the side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale to the left hand side. We're going to do it one more time again. Inhale back to center. Exhale, drop the left hand and let the right hand meet the forearm of the left hand, stretching the obliques and taking 5 breaths. Repeat the same on the other side. Lengthen out and take another 3 to 5 breaths. Now both hands back up to center. Lengthen out and repeat the same exercise. This time around, go a little bit lower. Switch sides. Inhale, exhale, stretch all the way down to the side. Both hands raised up now, and exhale, we're going to be bowing forward. Stay here for 3 to 5 breaths. Allow your back to stretch and then come up sitting. Release your right leg while tucking the soles of your left foot and go into this knee to chest variation, forehead to knee variation. While you're grabbing the soles of your feet, your forehead is looking towards your knee and you're stretching your obliques and your back. Stay here for 3 to 5 breaths. Now take your right hand over to the left knee and your left hand over to the right toes and stretch in this other variation where you're going deeper into the shoulders and into the sides, looking up as though you were looking towards the armpit area. And slowly we're going to repeat the same sequence on the other side. Lengthen the left leg, tuck your right soles of your feet in, hands up in mountain pose. Exhale, bow forward, forehead to knee pose. Take 3 to 5 breaths again. Remember to inhale and exhale as much as you can. Take the left hand over to the right knee and the right hand over to the left toes. Go deeper by bringing your head and take those 3 to 5 breaths. Inhaling and exhaling as much as you can. After that, we're going to come into seated butterfly pose. We're going to lengthen our spine and take 5 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Let's take it together. Inhale and exhale. Come on now. Inhale. And as you exhale, you're going to come in extended leg. So we're going to go up, lifting our hands as though we're in mountain pose, and exhale, we're going to bow forward in Parshomontanasana, also known as seated forward fold. Beginners, you see the way I raise my knees? You can raise your knees like that, excuse me, and bring your forehead towards the knee while stretching your back, your forearms, and your biceps and triceps. Come into seated supine twist. So guys, you're going to plant your right knee, lengthen both hands away from the knee you planted, and reach for the toes. Beginners, you can also lift your knee if that's hard, or you can just lengthen out and come over to seated supine twist. So guys, you're going to push your left hand against the right knee and looking behind you. We're going to try the same sequence over on the other side. Lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Beginners, you can bend your knees like that, and then, or you can do the other one. Then we're going to go straight to supine twist, where you're pushing against your knee and looking behind you. You can take up to 3 breaths here. Inhaling and exhaling. Slowly come back. We're going to come all the way to tabletop. So reverse tabletop, you're planting both legs, engage your core, let your head go down and squeeze up. Inhale and exhale, you're going to sit down. Now we're going to lengthen out, hands beside your glutes. Exhale, stretch from the shoulders all the way up, down to the wrist. Inhale and exhale, lengthen as much as you can. Now we're going to come sitting, bringing ourselves into fish pose. Now guys, I'm going to show you different variation. This is the half one you can take, so don't lengthen the leg, beginners. Arc there, or you can now join, lifting up your chest, opening up your heart, or you can return back to this other one where your legs are bent. That variation is perfect for beginners. Now guys, we're going to go to knee to chest hug on the right side. So guys, bring your right knee towards your heart center, taking 5 to 6 breaths here. From there, we're going to go straight to hamstring stretch. Stretch your hamstring as much as you can. Remember to breathe in before we go to supine twist. So that right knee you were hugging is going to come all the way down. Use your left hand to support it while looking towards your right hand side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax yourself. Slowly come back to center. Knee to chest hug on the left hand side. Just like the way you did the other time. Remember to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more breath in and exhale. And guys, we're going to get ready now to go to hamstring stretch on the left. Lengthen your left hamstrings and pull towards your face. Gently pull towards your face. Take 2 breaths and then come into supine twist on the other side. So guys, now your gaze is towards the left hand side. Your left knee is facing the right hand side. And your right hand is supporting the left knee that is already twisted. Inhale and exhale. Take another deep breath in and come up to happy baby. In happy baby, you want to recline yourself on the mat. Open up your hips. You can try this variation where you're lengthening one leg. Then you're going to slowly come down to Supta Baddha Konasana, also known as reclined butterfly pose. And guys, we're going to be in reclined butterfly pose. Inhaling and exhaling. Left hand on your belly button, or you can slowly massage your inner thighs as you stay here for 5 to 10 breaths, depending on how you feel and depending on how far you want to extend and be in this pose. Surrender here. You deserve to take this moment for yourself. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly we're going to go to Shavasana. Lower your shoulders, lower your back, sink your whole body weight on the mat. As you inhale, relax your face, your eyebrow, your eyelashes, your jaw, unclench your teeth, relax your tongue, relax your jaw, and bring your body to a place of rest. Move your awareness to your shoulders, your forearm, your fingers, relax them. Relax your stomach, observe your chest as you inhale and as you exhale. Do this for the rest of your body. Adjust yourself as needed. Inhaling and exhaling. Well done. Well done. Well done. Guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you know and turn your post notifications so you know whenever I post new videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you were able to stretch your body. And this practice is perfect for after workout or for beginners who are just starting off their practice. Now we're going to come to a comfortable seating position. I'm going to take one deep breath, inhaling and exhale. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Love ya. Bye.